Finally, my review of the GODOX AD600 Pro II, the X3 remote. If you missed my previous BTS videos where you actually see me use these tools, they're on the channel, so you know where to go. Plus, the footage you're about to see is taken from a video, another BTS video that I will post on my blog and only on my blog for premium members. So if you are a premium member, this will be posted maybe tomorrow night. Now, who is this for? Should you upgrade? Will I upgrade? Let's find out. First things first, I did use previous remotes made by GODOX with Canon cameras and now Fujifilm cameras, and I was quite happy with the X Pro 2 and all its features. The AD600 Pro, with time, I wish it had the ability to give me less output. I always missed the freeze mode from Broncolor flashes and anything that could help me identify my flash from a distance whenever I use multiple flashes on a project. And there you have the GODOX AD600 Pro II. A new TFT color screen with a new menu that even a 3-year-old can understand. Color indicators for each group. I no longer assign wrong settings to any of my flashes. Something I didn't really need is the new 40 watts bicolor modeling lamp. Something I haven't explored much, so we'll see on other projects in the long run. 1/2400. I believe this is a first for GODOX, I'm not sure. The freeze mode is really great, but expect losing a bit of power with it. And something I really wanted, 1/512. 10 stops are now available to us. This is really great. I sometimes now do not need an ND filter. The reason I wanted the X3, first and foremost, was the one-touch sync with the Pro 2. And of course the touchscreen. I didn't find the X Pro 2 too bulky. I even was afraid at first that the screen of the X3 would be too small, but it's okay. I didn't struggle to navigate through the menus, it was quite the opposite. If you know me, if you follow my work on Instagram and here on YouTube, you know that for outdoor photo shoots, sessions, solo sessions, I usually bring with me the GODOX AD300 Pro and a small softbox. I always thought that bringing a bigger softbox and a bigger strobe would be too much of a pain for me, although I would probably love to have a little bit more power and a bigger light source. The GODOX UR-P90T and the 120 are smaller. How did they do that? Well, they are just less deep. And does this have an impact on the quality of the light they provide? Well, I do not know. I need more time with them to actually compare them. If you wish to see a video on this channel where I do compare these two softboxes, tell me in the comments below. So I tried. I put everything in one bag: camera, lenses, one strobe, one remote, and the UR-P90T. And it was obviously heavier, but the light I got might be worth bringing all that stuff with me. If you are like me and you already own the AD600 Pro, I know it's a tough decision. I said it earlier in this video, there are a few features that were missing for me in the first version that are now available in version 2. So for me, it is worth the upgrade. That is it for me now. If you have any questions about these tools, you have the comment section that is open for you right now. I guess that I will catch you in the next one, maybe the last one of the year in a few days. Until then, take care and please have a good one.